Hey guys, I did a tree ring pour during the week this week at night, and I used golden fluid paints, Liquitex pouring medium, and JC800. I'm going to put those in the description for you. And I have to say that I was totally inspired by Kristen and her YouTube channel. Kristen, you seem to innovate the tree ring or swirl pour, whatever you want to call it, and I was so inspired. I had trouble sleeping, thinking of all the ideas I wanted to try. So what I did, like, I filmed at night, and I wasn't able to film the painting afterwards like I usually do because the lighting was crap. But I did resin it. I filmed that, and you're gonna see the final result. So I hope you guys like this. I'm just in love with this painting. All right, bye guys. Back with the final result. So what I did is I gave it a gloss spray varnish, and then I added a super thick coat as best as I could of FXPoxy resin, which is a super thick and very hard resin. And I really tried, because my goal was to cover it in one coat, and I almost got it, you guys. I was so close. I'm just missing a little bit on the side there. You can see just a tad on that corner. Kind of sucks, but I had to try. The rest is covered perfectly, and I like it this way. It's so hard to film. I really love this painting. There's something about that white with the blue, and the black did take over a bit. It kind of looks darker in reality. Let me see if I can catch this part here. Gosh. Oh man, I can't get it. It's so cool though. I love it. Hope you guys like this. Have a good one.